Insert injection is a method of combining nuts or bolts with plastic to increase tightening force. There are three main methods used in the field for insert insertion. Worker supply is a method in which a person supplies inserts to the injection position. This method does not require any investment cost, but it has a high unit labor cost and a high risk of accidents. Robots and equipment is a method in which equipment prepares inserts and robot supplies inserts. This method can be automated, but it is expensive and requires new equipment for each item. And there are restrictions on the direction of insertion. Post-press equipment is a method of thermally press-fitting inserts with a separate facility after injection. This method has no restrictions on the position and orientation of the insert. However, the equipment is expensive and time-consuming. In addition, defective press fitting may occur. The features of the current insert insertion method can be summarized as follows. All three methods have a lot of room for improvement. So Molden developed a new technology that addressed all of these issues. First, we developed a new device called Insert Positioner. This device receives the insert when the mold is open and transfers the insert to the injection position when the mold is closed. Next, we develop the controller and the feeding tube. The controller aligns and supplies the insert. The feeding tube supplies the insert to the insert positioner in the mold. When the insert on signal from the sensor is transmitted to the controller, the mold is closed and injection proceeds. When the mold is opened after injection, an insert off signal is transmitted to the controller and the insert is supplied to the mold again. When the insert on signal is transmitted to the controller, it sends a signal to the injection machine and injection proceeds. In this way, insert injection is possible with normal injection time without time delay. The effects of AIMS, the world's first automatic insert molding system developed by Molden, are innovative. AIMS significantly shortens the insert supply time, dramatically reduces cost, has no restrictions on insert orientation, and is very safe. AIMS does not need to build or replace equipment, even if it produces new products. After installing the mold, just connect the feeding tube and it can be produced immediately. The configuration of AIMS is very simple. Insert positioner is applied after consultation when developing a mold. Controller is manufactured according to the customer's environment. The feeding tube includes sensor cables and is manufactured according to customer requirements. The control cable is connected to the equipment and the machine. Insert has been optimized for AIMS and has excellent price competitiveness. Molden supplies and manages all of this. AIMS cuts insert feeding and insert molding time to 0 seconds. AIMS does not require equipment investment even if it produces new items. AIMS can start production immediately after setting up the mold. AIMS offers affordable insert parts. Ames makes a completely smart factory possible. Prepare for competitiveness ahead of others through magic in the mold. Ames.